Chemical properties. First property, addition reactions. Addition reactions. The reactions in which a reacting molecule adds on to a multiple bond present in some other reacting molecule are called addition reaction. I am going to explain the mechanism or how the reaction takes place. Based on that, you can write any addition reactions. In an addition reaction, pi bond of the multiple bond is broken and the two sigma bonds are formed. That is a most important point. For example, consider a carbon-carbon double bond in which one is a sigma bond and the other one is a pi bond. The pi bond breaks and two sigma bonds are formed to which this molecule is attached. XY will split into X and Y. And these two sigma bonds are occupied, that one by the X and the other one by the Y. That means one pi bond, what it is broken, you get two sigma bonds. This is the real reaction takes place in an addition reaction. Therefore, I am going to show one example. The rest of the properties you have to write the equation by yourself. Addition of hydrogen. This is ethylene. CH2 double bond CH2, in which one is a pi bond and the other one is a sigma bond. Nothing will happen to the sigma bond. Sigma bond will remain as such. That is, it is treated with hydrogen in presence of nickel or platinum or palladium. This is the catalyst required. The other reactant is hydrogen. And this hydrogen will split into two hydrogen atoms. And the pi bond breaks and two sigma bonds are formed from the carbon. When you are writing the structure, write from the carbon, this is a sigma bond. From the carbon, this is a sigma bond. To one sigma bond, one hydrogen atom is attached, and to the other sigma bond, the other hydrogen atom is attached. Therefore, the product is CH3 sigma bond CH3, that is called ethane. ISC model question is that how will you prepare ethane from ethylene? That is the way they ask. They are not going to say that ethylene when treated with hydrogen in presence of nickel, palladium, what happens, or write the product. They will ask you application level question, how will you prepare ethane from ethylene? Then write the equations by yourself for the other addition reactions like HCl, that is ethylene with HCl. That means HCl will split into H and Cl. Therefore, write the equation. HBr will split into H and Br. Write the reaction, two equation. Next property, that is addition of water with ethylene. Water molecule H2O will split into H and OH. Therefore, H will go to one sigma bond and OH will go to another sigma bond. For addition of water, there is a condition to be satisfied. Alkenes add molecules of water in presence of mineral acids such as sulfuric acid. Therefore, write sulfuric acid above the arrow. That means in presence of H plus ions only this reaction take place. The reaction involving the addition of water to an alkene yielding an alcohol is known as hydration. Therefore, in this reaction, when addition of water, that means addition of water to ethylene, the product obtained is ethyl alcohol. Therefore, ethyl alcohol is the product formed. Addition of water to ethylene. The reactants are water and ethylene. Above the arrow H2SO4 and the product is ethyl alcohol. This type of reaction is known as hydration reactions. Next is with sulfuric acid. With sulfuric acid, listen and write the reaction. How will you prepare ethyl alcohol by hydration method? This is an ISC question. Then with sulfuric acid, That means concentrated sulfuric acid, if it is added to ethylene, that is ethylene molecule plus sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid will split into H and HSO4. Write the equation. The product is known as ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Ethyl hydrogen sulfate is the name of the product formed because hydrogen is added to one sigma bond and hydrogen sulfate is added to the other sigma bond. Therefore, the product obtained is ethyl hydrogen sulfate.